Good morning! So, it's always been the hair and makeup artist ang pinakauna sa mga suppliers timeline sa kasusunod ng coordinator and photographer, videographer. So, at this feature, we are featuring, of course, si Sir Aaron.
Aaron Lee po. Makeup by Aaron Lee.
Makeup by Aaron Lee. So, sa team namin, madalas namin sila nakaka-work with. So, yeah. Sir, paano po ba nag-start ang inyong team?
Sa team namin, actually kami po, hindi talaga kami magkaka-work. Friends kami. Kakasama kami sa bahay. And, hindi ito as work talaga na yung normal na trabaho. Kumbaga, libangan na to sa amin. Kumbaga, so, nag-i-enjoy kami habang nag-work.
Ayan. And then, may na-mention ka kanina about the items that you use. What makes you stand out from the others, particularly on the brands that you use sa clients mo?
I think naging stand out yung work ng team ko because more on kasi kapag nagme-makeup kami, more on skin to skin makeup lang. Nilalabas lang namin yung natural na ganda ng balat kesa i-cover siya.
Kayo ba yung tipo pag sinabi ng client, gusto ko maging kamukha ko si Ann Curtis, mako-convert siya into Ann Curtis? Are you the type na magician ba?
More on nagyagawa lang po namin is more on inspo lang ng mga makeup ni Ann Curtis. Ganun.
Inspiration.
Yes, inspiration lang po. Yung
okay.
pegs niya. Ganun.
So, hindi mo talaga i-magic yung mukha nung client na magiging Ann Curtis siya?
Kapag normal day, kasi yun pa rin po yung mukha niya.
Okay, mag-stand out pa rin talaga.
Enhance lang talaga yung beauty.
Yung beauty ng client.
Right.
Ayan.
Or nung client.
So, Sir Aaron, how can the clients reach you? Do you have Facebook page or Instagram?
Yes po. You can follow my social media accounts po. Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook page, Makeup by Aaron Lee po. Yan. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
Sana
po.
make-upan mo rin ako.
Soon po.
Yeah, thank
Ang
you.
ganda niyo po. Thank you po.
Ang ganda mo din.